This shelter has been our home for 2 days. I gathered firewood, so whatever person comes to the shelter, they have dry wood. We didn't even make a fire. So yeah, anyway, there's the shelter. Treated us pretty well. And on to hiking. We had a fiasco again this morning. I have had, I'm making this known to the world now, but for the last 13 or 14 years of my life, I have had trouble swallowing pills. And when I mean trouble, it's not like, oh, I can't get this one down because it's big, or can't get this one down because of this or that or the other thing. No, my body just won't let me take a pill. And it happens to 1 in 3 people. That stat is coming from a Harvard study. But 1 in 3 people have trouble swallowing pills. And I've tried different techniques. I've tried swallowing M&Ms, tried swallowing mini M&Ms and Skittles and all this other stuff. But since I am sick, I have been prescribed medication to knock out this infection. And let's just say amoxicillin is not a small pill. It's like, yeah, it's a pretty doggone big pill. It's like the size of my thumbnail. And it didn't go down the first time, let's just say that. But when I mean trouble swallowing pills, I have been known to get a pill down and then it comes back up. So anyway, I proclaim that shelter as the first time ever in my life that I've been able to swallow a pill, and not just a pill, 4 pills. So I'm pretty stoked about today. I'm pretty happy, because that's a huge achievement in my eyes, and my family's eyes as well. My parents were super excited when I told them. But anyway, got that done, not without a long process, very long process. I thank the person behind me for being extremely patient with me. But yeah, Lehigh Gap is today, and we will get there eventually. But this is the path south, and we'll keep on hiking. It's supposed to be raining for the next 4 days, so fun times in wet Pennsylvania. Oh, sorry, wet times in Rocksylvania, because it's stupid rocky. It's not just rocky. Anyway, I will see y'all down the trail and get this day moving. Stop for, I don't know what that was, lunch or a snack or something. Back at a campsite that had a spring near it. Well, near it, 0.4 down a side trail. But it's where we were hoping to get a couple days ago. But that's okay, because some things come before others, like health. But we're hiking along now. Gonna try and get to Lehigh Gap, or past it. I don't know, whichever one comes first. We're trying to get 100 miles a week done. It's just a goal that we've set to let's see, to be able to do that, the next 5 days we have to average like 16.5 miles. So of course, you know, taking a 0 yesterday, that's getting harder to achieve that, but I think it's doable, even though we don't want to walk at all and we both feel like junk. So hopefully the sun will come out a little bit more than it is right now, and hope that we can get to Lehigh Gap. Alright y'all, see you down the trail. Alright y'all, so just walked through that rock field. Pretty interesting. It just rained yesterday, so they're kind of slick, but there's been a lot of rocks today, just like Pennsylvania said it would be. But anyway, just wanted to show you that view. Pretty cool. Standing on some rocks here, but let's just say Pennsylvania is rocky, flat, and I don't know, it was doing something to both of us this morning. We were hiking along and we'd stop and it'd feel like we got super dizzy. All the trees were moving, so it kind of feels like we're just stuck in a bubble, in the same terrain, and the same things keep passing us. But anyway, gonna get to Lehigh Gap, somewhere over that mountain there, I would assume, that little hill, and then go into town, get some breakfast because we're out of it, and pack out, I guess, and go to a shelter if we have time. If not, we'll stay in town. But I will see y'all down the trail. Alright, so walking along the ridge here, almost to Lehigh Gap. Got some power lines that we're walking underneath. You can kind of hear them sizzle a little bit. Probably not on the video, but we can hear it. And anyway, there's the valley below. Gotta make our way over to Lehigh Gap and then walk a mile down Lehigh, hoping my phone doesn't die before that. But anyway, I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright y'all, so before my phone dies, road goes up that way. This is the gap. We're walking on nothing but rocks. It is crazy. It is nothing but rocks. It is really cool. I am having a lot of fun on this. Oh man, that is a I guess you get my first reactions because I haven't been able to see this over here. Woo! That is a sight. I need to stabilize myself before I start taking any more videos. Wow. Look at that. Gotta somehow make my way over that way. But gotta get down off of this thing first. Got probably another 0.3 or so down to the road, and we'll be getting into town somehow. I don't know yet, but we'll get there. Alright y'all, I'll see you later.